Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. 15,000 original miles, four-way purple strobes up front, flag mounts and staffs, a beautiful black with a tuxedo top and a silver stripe. This vehicle is front wheel drive, powered by a V6 Cadillac motor. It does have B&C pillar stainless along with a crown band, so fully optioned out car. The only extra option you could have possibly gotten would have been a front painted top, but the tuxedo vinyl on tuxedo vinyl is a very traditional style look. Interior wise, Madagascar floor with a gray interior. Now this is a true gray, not a titanium, so definitely something unique, different over a traditional setup. You do get a fold up church truck area here, gives you that flexibility, horizontally storage or vertically. You also get that umbrella storage on the far right to help you organize a little bit. Two chrome nameplate holders, a full set of drapes in this vehicle as well. As we pop to the rear here, you'll see some more options. So this customer opted originally for exterior rear load door chrome, something upgraded over a standard, along with an urn carrier as well. So you pop this open right here. It does have an integrated urn carrier inside this vehicle with a neat little tree embroidery behind it. Two shadow boxes on each the driver and the passenger side. They are illuminated. Three lights down the center, and you do have a giant Cadillac emblem or Cadillac crest on the partition wall. 8 rollers down the center, 2 at the leading edge of the rear table. No bumper protector carpet on this car, but the bumper is in fantastic shape. Backup camera located right above the license plate frame. You do have some neat embroidery on here as well. Little trigger on the side. This is your emergency unlock. You do have to crawl over the casket in this vehicle. There is a very little chance for failure, but it is there just in case. As we walk over to this side, once again, you can see that crown band, the B&C pillar chrome. Both of the driver and the passenger doors are fiberglass, along with the coach conversion and the rear load door. Something to take note, zero chance of corrosion or rust on these doors. They're all fiberglass, plenty strong, just no metal for it to rust over time. Just in case, depending on what part of the country you're in, please take that into account. Does have a flip-up door on this side as well, and a full-size matching spare jack and toolkit located in there as well. I prefer, personally, after doing this for a while, I prefer the door, the flip-up door on this side. If you ever have to change a tire, it is going to save you time and frustration. You don't have to get down, bend on your knees, and pull the tire out. You can literally grab the tire, pull it out, put it on the vehicle, and get where you're supposed to go. Hopefully that never happens to you, but just in case, it's set up for success. Opening up the driver's compartment here, you've seen plenty of videos of me explaining the XTS front interior. It is all the same for 2013 to 2019 as far as materials. So black leather seats, power adjust, both the driver and the passenger. You do also have a power tilting column, touchscreen infotainment that gives you AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, and Bluetooth on a 16 and newer, so includes this 19. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so something to take note of. The 19 is the last generation of this XTS body style, so it is the best of the best if you're looking for a late model, pre-owned sedan base hearse. This is going to be your last one, as the XT5 started in 20 and 21. You also have push button start along with remote start as well. Inside the center console, you'll have all your hookups for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, or to charge your phone. Strobe switch is located right above the driver's compartment, up by the dome light. You'll see it. It's labeled in big text strobe. If you miss it, you're not looking for it. Overall, 15,000 miles, 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach. Who built the car? This is the Phoenix model, if you want to compare it to something else. Fully optioned out. The only thing it's missing would be the front painted top, and 95% of people do not like that look, so this is pretty much the best of the best that you can get. If you want to inquire on this vehicle, since it is still available for the moment, give me a call, 800-229-5008, or visit us at parksbureau.com, where you can see pretty much every aspect of this car under a magnifying glass, so take a peek at those 80+ photos as well. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.